Today I will show you how to replace your default ugly Google site URL with a custom .com domain. To do this, you will only need two things. One is Google site. Remember, when you want to connect it, your Google site has to be published. And the second one is going to be your domain name. On this video, I've already tested dozens and dozens of domain name providers. And here is a quick disclaimer. There is no one offering this for free, and it cannot even be offered for free. So even a quick Google or ChatGPT search will tell you that those are probably fake companies. And be careful, because there are a lot of scams that will go and try to steal your data, since your data needs to be used to be officially registered with ICANN, which is official organization collecting all of the data for domain name holders. So at least in my opinion, saving the actual price of a reputable domain name registrar, which is around $10 to $15 per year, is definitely not worth it. Based on my research that I've already tested and connected multiple domains, Namecheap is a clear winner inside here. They offer best price and easier way to go and connect your domain. Now, if you want to get the best price and also support the channel, you can use my links in the description. As you can see, they will go and automatically apply and show you all the best discounts possible, so you will even go and save money. You can either click the link in the description or go to lukanos.com/Namecheap. And you should land inside here. Now you can go and start searching for your domain, or you can even go hover over domains and click on search domain. And here you can also go and put your domain name search. Now, two things can happen. One is that the domain is already in use. Well, in this case, unfortunately, you cannot use it and you need to find something different. Once you will have your domain that is not being currently used, you will go and see it inside here. As you can see, if you go with my link in the description, they will go and show you extra discounts that you can get as a first-time customer. Now, we can go and add this to our cart. So I will click on add to cart, and into lower bar, you can see this is our cart. So I will just go and click on checkout. This will take us into checkout area. And here we need to go and get rid of some stuff because those are upsells. So we just want to go and stay with our .com domain. Firstly, we want to go and make sure that we have a domain privacy on. Now this is completely for free and it's forever. So make sure that everything is checked inside here. This will go and hide your personal information from public, since everybody can go and search for ICANN information and see who owns the domain. So they will see your address, phone number, and everything like this. But Namecheap offers this completely for free forever. So they will use their company information to hide your information. This is a must-have. Then you can see all the possible upsells inside here. We don't need to go and add anything in here. Just make sure that nothing is checked. And we can collapse this. And now be careful because this is a bit sneaky. You can see they are offering us a free trial. Well, we don't actually want to go with it because sometimes what can happen with those companies is that once the free trial ends, you will be stick to paying the price for the actual product. And we don't want to go with that. So just to be extra safe, I will go inside here and click on the X icon. And this is how it should look. So we have our domain and domain privacy in here only. If you want my advice how to save even more money inside here, domain name prices tend to go and rise quite quickly. So in past it cost only a few bucks, but we can see year over year it's increasing more and more. So what a lot of people are doing, and I also recommend, is actually going and locking today's small rate for a longer time period. So you can go and actually buy it from either 1 year, or you can even go with a maximum of 10 years, which will go and lock this price in here. In the long term, this will go and save you the most amount of money. So if you are looking for the best way and you know you want to go and stick with this .com domain because you like it, I will definitely go and recommend you to go with 6 and more years. Since this is only a tutorial, I will go with 1 year, and then we can go and click on confirm order. This will take us to our payment method. Here we just need to go and fill up all of our information and then click continue. Here is a summary of our order. Everything looks fine. Please make sure that once again you will go and review letter by letter what is actually your domain name, because I've seen some people make mistakes in there and we cannot go and get refund once this is done. For my side it is, so I can go and click on pay now. And you can see the order is being processed and we have successfully purchased our domain. If you want to go and access it, on the left sidebar, we can go to domain list. I'm gonna go click on it, and here we can see our domain is in here. If you don't want to have auto renewal, you can also go and click on it inside here. So now we have everything we need to go and connect it to our Google site. I've already done it with this website. So let's take a look at me 3 days ago. This tutorial is very easy and you need only two things. First is a domain bought with Namecheap. The second thing is gonna be your Google site. Don't forget, if you want to go and connect it, your site has to be published. So if you want to go, you can go and click on publish inside here and you will see it's already published. Now, if we want to go and connect it, we want to go and click on this gear icon. Inside here, we will go and locate custom domains. And here we want to go and click on connect domain. Inside here, we need to go and write the domain name we have. If I go back to my account, Namecheap account, I can see this is the domain name we want to go and use. So I'll just copy it and place it inside here. Now you can see that we have this error message. It's good that we see this because we need to go and verify that we own this domain. Because if I would put, for example, Amazon.com, Amazon probably doesn't want to be redirected in here. So we need to prove to Google site that we are the rightful owner. So to do it, click on verify your ownership and it will take us inside a Google Search Console. Inside here, we want to go with first option, the domain. So I'll go and click on continue. This will go and generate us TXT record. Now this can look very intimidating. The only thing we need to go and do is copy this unique string of numbers, our key, and put it inside our domain. This will prove that we are the owner and we can use this domain. So let's do it. So what we need to do inside here is click on copy and go back to our account. Inside our account, we want to go to domain list. Here, find your domain that you want to go and connect and click on manage. Inside here, we want to go and locate advanced DNS. Click on it. And here we have two options inside here. You can see I just bought this account and I already have two pre-existing records inside here. Don't worry. Here we just need to go and click on the trash icon and delete both of those. So click on yes, delete record and yes, delete record. Now inside here, we want to go and click on add new record. Now this is going to be a TXT record. So we are searching for TXT record option inside here. Why? Well, because we can also see it inside this option for Google. Now, in terms of the host, we're just going to go and add value. Inside value, I'm going to go and paste the long string of text that we have copied from inside here. And into time to live, we can go and keep it on automatic. Then simply click on this green check mark. And we can see we have verified. So now I just need to come back and click on verify. Now two things can happen. You can see that it still haven't gone through. Now this process can take between few minutes to even few hours. So you just need to go and wait. So now after a few seconds, I will click on OK. And once again, click on verify. And you can see it took only a few seconds to be done. Now we can see that the ownership of the domain is successfully verified. I can just go back into our site in here. Let's go back to the gear icon. Let's click on custom domain and let's click on connect domain. Here, once again, I'm putting the domain that we currently have and click on next. You can see we didn't get the alert this time. So now we just need to go and put another record in here. So this time we just come back and once again, click on add new record. And inside here, we are looking for CNAME record. How do we know it? Because we can see it inside here as well. So I will just go and locate CNAME record. Inside host, we're going to put www this is something that is also written inside here. So we are just copying what is in here. And in terms of the value, just copy this text and into target, paste it in here. Once again, time to leave, we can keep it automatic, and then just click on the green check icon. And now it is done. So in here, I simply need to come inside here and click on done. Now this is already connected. Be careful. To have this fully functional and to be able to go inside this site by using your domain can take between 1 to even 2 days. This process can take some time. So you just need to go and wait. But now, if I come back inside here and copy this link, put it into incognito mode, it is still not available. But if I come back here in a few hours, you're gonna see that it's actually live. This is me from another day, and I will go and test if it actually worked. So I will just go and click on the website that we built. And if I go to this link icon, it will go and show me my own personal domain link. So I will go and click on copy link. I will go to incognito mode and paste it in here. And we can see it's actually working and it has been connected successfully. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Once again, if you want to go and get the best prices for Namecheap possible, please feel free to use my links in the description. This will also support this channel in making those tutorials. This is everything from me. Have a nice day and goodbye.